Hello friends. Myself Chinmaya and welcome to my channel Chinmaya Knowledge. Today I am telling about use of artificial intelligence and machine learning security system. Let's begin. In response to the COVID-19 issue, nearly every organization has been plunged into turmoil. They had to make the switch from on-site to off-site operations in a matter of hours. In many situations, this now involves remotely managing their IT security operations, which is a new, unexpected, and extremely unsettling position. According to recent research, over 90% of AI and ML security systems are already detecting and fighting against digital threats or contemplating doing so. What is the conventional AI and ML be used in the threat detection approach, and how is the hardware industry responding to threats? What is threat detection? Computers have played an increasingly important part in contemporary life since the development of threat detection, offering services such as internet access, online banking, message exchange, and remote employment. However, hackers have developed malware due to the transfer of sensitive information and the processing capability of every machine. Viruses, trojans, and worms are among the several types of these programmed, each of which performs a distinct function. The specific function of each of these can be split further. Some malware is designed to damage a system, whereas others are designed to steal important information. Finding risks on a system may be tough, especially when paired with malware's ability to infect a wide range of commonplace devices and the rapid growth in the production of such malware. Security organization job of tracking infections is getting increasingly complex. An antivirus system's conventional method of detecting malware is to scan all of the files on a system and then examine the raw binary data that makes up those files. If a match is detected, the binary data is compared to a database of regularly used code segments by previously discovered malware, and the file is either quarantined or destroyed. When new malware is released into the wild, security professionals must get a copy, detect unique strands of code, and then enter the sequence into a malware database. Unexpected access to communication ports, apps that track keystrokes, and programs that try to access restricted memory regions are all examples of other detecting methods. However, all of these approaches rely on reactive action, which means that when a new virus, trojan, or worm is created, all systems are at risk. Use of AI and ML in threat detection. AI and ML have advanced to the point that they are now used in various applications, including autonomous driving, industrial processors, face recognition, and voice-activated gadgets. Engineers and security professionals are currently experimenting with AI systems in malware detection due to AI capacity to learn and adapt to its surroundings. As per a recent survey, over 90% of security operation centers have investigated AI and machine learning as a malware detection approach. Recognizing patterns is one task that AI excels at, and the more data fed to the AI, the stronger it performs. As time goes on and cybercriminals start creating more malware, an AI system tasked with detecting it will get better at detecting it. Unlike traditional security systems that rely on databases of sample code, AI and ML security systems will be able to identify new malware without ever seeing it. Although the specific process by which a security AI system detects new malware is unknown, it may form linkages between regularly used code patterns, encoded messages in infection code, and even geographical data. AI and machine learning systems can analyze CPU use, RAM, and hard drive access in real time to check for unusual activities. Once identified, the source of the unusual activity can be tracked down and eliminated. Role for hardware threat detection. Future systems may be able to monitor their systems, recognize malware based on experience, and take preemptive actions to defend themselves thanks to software-driven AI systems. However, certain malware is impossible to stop using software alone, and in these cases, only a hardware-based solution can keep the infection from wreaking havoc. Hardware security is a field of engineering that has lately gained popularity owing to its ability to safeguard designs at the silicon level and prevent attacks such as virus insertion into bootloaders, physical tampering, and efforts to access privileged instructions. While there are many different types of hardware security, even hardware systems can monitor buses and processors for aberrant actions that are not anticipated and then trigger a system reset or raise an interrupt for the CPU to run a specific subroutine if they are found. Conclusion. Overall, AI and machine learning will enable the development of malware detection systems that could learn about the malware they identify and stop and possibly detect and block new malware never seen before. AI and machine learning in the software will enable systems to protect against malware at the application level. In contrast, hardware security will assist in avoiding assaults that are too low level for software to detect. If you wish to secure your organization data through AI, contact OnPassive. Launching soon. Welcome to the future super unicorn company. Okay, bye.